Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 3 and we are about to discuss or to study the life of the successful local and international entrepreneurs. So in local, we choose Ramon Isang. Ramon Isang, born on January 14, 1954. He is a visionary entrepreneur and industrialist who played a crucial role in transforming San Miguel Corporation or SMC into one of the Philippines' largest and most diversified conglomerates. With a background in engineering, Ang's technical expertise and deep understanding of business operations allowed him to navigate complex industries and take bold investment risks. Early in his career, he worked closely with Eduardo Cuanco Jr., learning the ropes of corporate leadership before eventually taking over SMC. Under his leadership, SMC evolved beyond its roots as a brewery, expanding into food, beverages, energy, infrastructure, and petroleum. His ability to spot opportunities in emerging industries and his strong risk-taking mindset helped him push SMC into new markets while ensuring long-term sustainability. Despite challenges such as regulatory hurdles, competition from global corporations, and managing large-scale investments, Ang remained resilient. He focused on strategic acquisitions, partnerships, and modernization, ensuring SMC's continued growth. His entrepreneurial journey is marked by a commitment to innovation, infrastructure development, and national progress, making him one of the most influential business leaders in the Philippines. In international entrepreneur, we choose Jack Ma. Jack Ma, born on September 10, 1964, is a visionary entrepreneur whose journey is defined by persistence, innovation, and a deep belief in technology. Before founding Alibaba in 1999, he faced multiple rejections, both in education and his early career. Originally an English teacher, his exposure to the internet in the US sparked the idea that would revolutionize e-commerce in China. Seeing a gap in the market, Jack Ma created Alibaba as a B2B marketplace to empower small businesses. Despite early struggles, including skepticism from investors and China's limited internet infrastructure, Alibaba expanded into cloud computing, fintech, and logistics, shaping the digital economy. His leadership, charisma, and customer-focused approach helped Alibaba dominate the global e-commerce space. Over the years, Ma navigated challenges such as regulatory scrutiny, intense competition, and the need for constant innovation. Even after stepping down as Alibaba's chairman, his influence continues as the company evolves in EI, fintech, and international markets, adapting to regulatory shifts and technological advancements. His story is a testament to resilience and the transformative power of the internet in the business.